Welcome. How's everyone doing? So we're about to dive into a conversation that has all to do or all about. It's all about helping couples. If you're someone in a relationship, I want to borrow your ears for a little bit. And the subject of today is how do we support our partner when they are not in the best mood, right? So the first thing I wanted to do is I want to be able to kind of flip that over. What type of support would you like whenever you're not in the best mood? I know when I get cranky, I want space. I know when I get cranky, I want support. I want you to be there. I want you to not say things like get over it, suck it up, stop whining. I don't want any of that. And I find that sometimes when we practice that, when we put ourselves in the other person's shoes, in the shoes of our partner, and we see with the eyes of our partner, we feel with the heart of our partner, we're able to provide a beautiful level of support, a level where they're kind of looking at you and they go, "Thank you. I feel noticed. I feel that you get that I'm not in the best mood, and you're here. You're riding with me. You're supporting me." So again, the topic here is we're looking at how to support your partner when they're not in the best mood. Now, one of the first strategies that I look at is the one that I shared with you, practicing that level of empathy. The other one that I think is really, really helpful is being able to maybe have a code word, like a funny one. It could be spaghetti, it could be Scooby-Dooby-Doo, whatever it may be. And that code word between you and your you and your partner, sorry, you and your partner, that code word means that, hey, I'm not in the best mood. And you could add a little more definition to it, meaning that you're sitting down with your partner and you say, "Hey, listen, let's make a code word. So whenever we're not in the best mood, we know what to do." Code word is Scooby-Doo. And Scooby-Doo means that we give each other 20 minutes, right? That was 20, right? 10, 20, yeah, 20 minutes. We give each other 20 minutes, and in those 20 minutes, I know that everything's okay, and I know that you need space. And I'm going to give you that space, and then when 20 minutes are up, part of that code word, Scooby-Doo, is that we come back together, and then we have a conversation. Share with me what's going on, what happened today, what added to that mood, how can I be here for you? So how can I be here for you is another strategy, is being able to not always support your partner the way that you want to support them, but asking your partner, saying, "Hey, how can I help you during this time? How can I support you?" It may just be, "I want you to sit down with me," or "I want to borrow your ears for a little bit. I want to say some things. I don't want any judgment. I want you to be, just a sounding board, if you will." Or it could be, "Hey, let's put the Xbox on and play a video game. Or let's go for a walk. It's a beautiful day outside." But overall, it's providing your partner with that space, a space of, how can I help you? What do you need from me in this moment? And then the last strategy I want to share with you and being able to support your partner when there is maybe not the best mood is staying away from criticism, staying away from breaking your partner down. An example of that could be that your partner gets home and they're irritable. They're like, "Man, I had a tough day at work. My boss was writing me." And then your first remark is, "Well, if you show up on time, then maybe you wouldn't be dealing with all that." Oh, right. Your partner, they were just vulnerable with you. They're trying to share some space, trying to share with you how they feel inside. And really, those aren't the words that they want to hear. Those words are going to break them down. They're going to create more distance. What we want to do instead is we want to open up the floor. Be like, "Oh, I'm sorry. That must have been so hard." Or, "I know that, you and your supervisor don't get along so well. Do you want to talk about it? What happened?" Being able to give them that space, the space of, "Hey, I love you. I'm here to support you. I'm here to ride with you. I'm here to hear some of the good things and some of the not so good things." So I hope that anyone out there listening, this video is helpful, was helpful, and I hope that you are able to apply some of these strategies as you move forward in your relationship, waking up each and every day, asking yourself, what can I do today to be a better partner?